Hey, what is up guys? It's Rowan from AWM, and today I wanted to show you guys something kind of interesting. So this is actually the first one of these devices that we've installed this season. And what I'm talking about is not the Waterfall, we've installed plenty of those, but actually what's up over there, which is a rainwater harvesting system. So let me take you over here and show you what I'm talking about real quick. So basically what we've done is there's these reservoirs that we can put in that are designed to go underneath a gutter like this, and what it'll do is it'll capture the rainwater, and then we've got a pipe dug underneath this whole berm here over to the back side of the waterfall. And actually the way that we've got it into the waterfall, got it aimed into the waterfall, makes it so that you can't actually see it at all. In fact, from your perspective, it is right there. That's where it's coming out at. So we've got gravel in front of there, and you might have also noticed we've got a little plant in there that will eventually fill out and completely cover it. And so basically what this whole system does is it allows you to not have to fill the pondless waterfall basin, or you can install this on a pond or anything like that. It allows you to fill it with the rain as opposed to having to fill it with the hose. So that'll save you a little bit on your water bill, but in reality it just kind of takes a little bit of the burden off of your shoulders for having to fill your water feature with water every once in a while as it evaporates. So yeah, just thought I would show you guys that. And by the way, this sweet pondless waterfall that we just put in will be, we filmed a time lapse of it, which will be going up in a couple of weeks here. So hope you guys are excited for that. If you guys enjoyed, definitely be sure to share this video on your Facebook feed. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.